Okay, so this is a worthwhile video. I've got the Portenta Vision Shield connected to on the other side of the Portenta. I've gone through the setup stuff, and what I'd like to do is to try the drawing program that does text, which is kind of your hello world of all this. Now, a reminder, whenever you reboot your Portenta, you get that little MicroPython thing, the folder. And so I've loaded this, and with all of these Portenta things, you've got to switch this to grayscale. And it comes up at QVGA. And let's just first of all check that the thing works. And all it's going to do is write hello worlds on the screen. Okay, that's awesome because in the code you can then figure out how to place. You've got your X and your Y and your hello world, and it's doing the X and Y randomly. What I'm curious about is the different resolutions. And I'm going to have to look them up, but let's try a new thing here. Don't forget to always reset your cam. Once the little irritating folder shows up, you can do that. And I've got QQVGA, and it's half the size of whatever QVGA was, which I think was 320 by 240. It's not listed here. So all I want to do is try lower and lower, reset, MicroPython folder, connect and run, and we're half the size. Okay, and it's doing the hello worlds. The text hasn't changed size. So let's try for, what are we on? 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And being able to reduce the resolution is actually super important for machine learning because you might not be able to run a bigger model. So to be able to crunch your model down is actually quite helpful. This having to do 3 steps to load it up is a bit irritating, but check it out. That's a really small resolution, and I'm sure we can look that up somewhere. If I just go to the hello world, there we go, 320 by 240. So the next one's going to be 160 by 120. The next one's going to be 80 by 60. And I can't remember if we've got to 4 there, but this one is probably 40 by 30. And yeah, anyway, that's a worthwhile video.